My foot is probably about 85% right now. It feels actually really good. So I'm so happy about that. This is why I decided to come here, as well as Murphy, hand on my Henry rifle. It's pretty awesome, man. Yeah, I suppose. Oh, here comes the big ones. These are the big ones. Here we go. Oh, I got a little off. Those are big. Oh yeah. I guess the wooden chaos of doom. Yeah, I'm really surprised they haven't. Yeah, that was sloppy. Yeah, they need to come back here and redo these wooden features. I bet they've had a decade of life. Here's the rotted out one that you don't really want to do. Wow. I think I hit my rear derailleur on that one. I wasn't going to do it, but I figured I'd go off part of it. My rear derailleur might be defunct now. It's all good. Those log ends on that wooden feature, I made it to the last one. Okay. This is the double black. And I've actually done it, cleaned the first part of it, but not today. And that's why it's not today. So after the intersection of the double black, which I'm not going to do this time, my foot has been through enough ringing. I probably could do it, but then you get kind of an easy section, and then if you take the left trail, it's a fun downhill with jumps, and then you go flying right into the blue hookup link. Whoa! Oh, I did not. I saw it. I was like, drop, going for it. Oh yeah! I would love to do the double black, but I think I'm gonna wait. There's a couple more drops in here. Manualing. I really suck at manualing. I do not do it correctly at all, but it gets the job done. Oh, I thought it was easy. No, it's Rexing, Jetsing, all kinds of plots. Okay, here we come to the fun part. I think, yeah. You go left, and you fly like a monkey. Fly like a monkey. Do, 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 do. Fly. Here we go. So this continues the black diamond. This exits the black diamond. And it is rocking, awesome, and fun. Yeah. Oh, wrong way. Oh, I thought there was more speed. No. Oh no. Oh no! Wah! See, that time I had speed. I hope I'm still rolling. If not, then that's probably one of the biggest drops here, I think. You want to keep your speed up in here, because there's lots of fun stuff. I forget where those jumps are. No, you want to stay blue. Stay blue. Oh yeah. Get the first one, but not the second one. Oh yeah, and then there's this thing. This thing is awesome. I'm going for it. I'm going for it. Another big drop. Oh, and then you have to jump. Oh yeah. That's the drop and jump that I was expecting. There's another one, but it's not as good as that. I obviously wasn't doing very good. Oh. Oh, that'll kick you. That kicked me. That was fierce. Oh, yeah. This is where the fun begins. Oh, no brakes. Oh. Ow. Still going. The wheel caught a loose rock and threw it up into my shin. It reminds me of, oh, wow. My right shin, of course. My whole right side is gonna be limp after today. All right, last climb, here we go. That lady rider is ahead of me, and she's passed me like at least twice. It starts off easy. Boom. I'm doing sloppy drops because sometimes I'm clipped in, sometimes I'm not. Oh. This has got a massive drop on it that might scare me a bit too much. But we'll see what this next piece looks like. I'm coming up to it now. It's really scary. Really scary. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. It's like I said, I've done this trail like once. Okay. Caution. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh yeah! I kind of sloppily cleared that. Next time I'm gonna take that with a little more speed. That drop, oh, you could fly off that and just, I took it probably 70% speed. And it felt good. It really did. I almost want to do that again. Almost. I think I'm done though. I got so many other things that need to get done here today and tomorrow. And the thing's flopping around too.